guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm going to be planning in 5 minutes. I'm going to do my best. I do not have anything planned, so if you want to see that, stick around. Okay, so I have my iPad here. I am going to set the timer for 5 minutes. I just want to show you that planning does not have to be really stressful. It just can be quick. 5 minutes is really a challenge for me. I'm going to try to let go of my perfectionism and really just stick down stickers and make it cute. This is my classic journal, and I don't have this is not a catch-all. I don't put my plans in here. This is basically like journaling and feelings and all that. So I'm a little more like lenient where I put things in this planner because it doesn't really matter exactly where I write. So I have the Stronger Together sticker book. I promise you, I flipped through it and looked at it, but I did not plan anything other than I'm going to be using this big sticker. Where is it? This one that says the bravest thing you could be is yourself. The rest of it, I do not know what I'm going to do. I'm just going to do my best, throw the stickers down, and call it a spread. So this is, like I said, very challenging for me. It's probably challenging for you to do this, but I encourage you to try because sometimes it's really fun to sit down and take an hour or two to create a spread. Other times it's too much. And sometimes we just need to quickly plan and then actually be functional and move about our day. So that's what I'm doing here. So here we go. I'm going to do my best. Hopefully Bumble will let me do this. And we're just going to start. So I'm going to set this down. I guess I'll just put it here. I'm not going to talk a lot during this because this is going to be stressful for me a little bit. So I need some boxes though. So I'm going to move this aside. I definitely need boxes. Bring in some other colors here, some purples and maybe blues. And maybe a pink one. I'll layer a little bit there. And then I think I want to bring in some of these boxes as well. Just want to make sure I have enough room to write. But I also like to write on the white too. So another one, bringing in this color here over to this side. I'm going to put one up here, I guess. Okay, I only have 3.5 minutes left. This is super challenging. I really love this though, this Sunshine and Happy Times. So I wanted to use this. Oh, please let me pull it up easily. All right. Place that there. Oh my gosh. I want to bring in yellow, but now I'm out of room. I don't have time to lift up stickers. The stress is real. The stress is real. Yikes. 2.5 minutes left. Great. Hooray for today. And normally you wouldn't do it this quickly, but I'm just trying to show you to prove a point. So today is your day is over here. Running out of time, 2 minutes, 20 seconds. Kind words cost nothing. Maybe take this little today sticker and put it there. And 2 minutes left. Okay. We're doing okay. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. Yikes. Every week needs a fun day. I'm going to put this down here and then put a box there to write in. Over here, let's bring in peace out at the bottom there. 1.5 minutes left. I need a box. Need a box. Okay, how about this box? Okay, and we are almost done because we're running out of time. I want to make sure I have enough room to write. I wish there was more boxes in this book. How about a rainbow? I can write underneath that rainbow too. And maybe like another small rainbow over here to match the rainbow theme. Almost done. Well, you can, Mary Ellen, you can finish the spread and make it look cute. "25 seconds left. This is challenging. Oh, I just want to put one more sticker in that there. Love that. I need like a greenish, I guess this one. Wild at Heart. Okay, timer went off. I don't know why this wasn't loud, but timer went off. So, I barely even looked at the spread while I was doing it because I was doing it so quickly. It's cute. I mean, honestly, like sometimes we stress so much about how it looks, and at the end of the day, like as long as you have like cute stickers down and there's spaces to write, like it's gonna be cute. That's the beauty of the Happy Planner stickers. Like it's just, Bumble, stop. Just everything is gonna look cute. So I like it. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. And I would love it if you guys would do a 5-minute challenge and tag me. How about at Bumble 5-minute challenge, maybe something like that. So take care. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.